In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove space between images in Behance. First, open the project you want to refine. On your project page, look for the blue pencil icon. Click it to enter edit mode. This takes you into the project editor, where you can adjust how your content is presented without re-uploading anything. If your project is long, give it a moment to load, and then scroll to the area with the images you want to tweak, so you can see changes as you make them. Next, access your global style controls. In the editor, click the Styles button. Depending on your layout, this may appear at the top or along the side of the editor panel. When you open it, a Styles pane will slide in, usually on the right. This pane centralizes the visual settings that affect your entire project, which is why it's the best place to fix spacing quickly and consistently. Inside the Styles pane, find the slider labeled Content Spacing or sometimes Module Spacing. This control manages the vertical padding between blocks in your project, including the gaps that appear between individual image blocks. If you don't immediately see it, look for spacing, padding, or layout sections. Behance may group these settings and the exact label can vary slightly. Now, to remove the gaps, drag that spacing slider all the way to the left until it reads 0. As soon as you do, you should notice the vertical space between your image blocks collapse, letting them sit flush against each other. This change tightens the visual rhythm of your project and is especially helpful for process shots, step-by-step visuals, or any series meant to read as a continuous narrative. Keep in mind, this setting affects vertical spacing between blocks. If images still appear separated inside a single gallery or grid module, that's controlled by that module's own internal spacing. But for standard image blocks, setting content spacing to 0 is the fix you need. Finally, make your changes stick by clicking Save at the bottom of the Styles pane. Give it a second to apply. Then scroll through your project to confirm everything looks clean and cohesive. That's it. Thanks for watching.